video, I'm gonna be installing these little clip-ins I got. So I gotta wash this Detangling first. And my hair has been in a bonnet for days. And so I need to do something to it. Here we go.
I actually have not be done for the day.
Why?
She said that work couldn't get done. So I got a couple more cases.
I don't know if this is the best method to detangle, but it's how I normally do them. I should have put something in it first. Wet my hair some, put in those products. So first, gonna make a part. I never do like the same amount of thickness when I install these in each section. I don't part it evenly, I just use my finger. How much taken out for the first section, and I used the one with 3 clips on the bottom. I normally look like doing this, but you'll see. Move it down. Just push it in. They snap into place. And voila. First layer done. And then I normally use Eco Styler to blend my hair with the clip-ins, but I don't have that much, so I'm using this. It's not really good gel, but for video purposes we're using it. Not completely even, but the clips are going to be hidden, so it's fine. How many do I have? I think I got 7 pieces. On the first 2 rows, I used the one with 3 clips, and on the third one, I did the one with 4 clips. And then after that, it'll be 5. 3 and then 2 on the top. And you want to hear it snap in place. Okay, move this one down. Alright, and now the gel. Actually, this will leave in the gel. I need to get a trim. There are better ways to part too. Like you can get a comb, a parting tool. You ain't gotta do this. But for this, I don't really care to part evenly. Probably should start for like my braids and twists and stuff, but as long as it gets done, I'm good. This is the longest one with 5 clips. In the gel. Where's my comb? You gotta make sure you leave enough to cover the clips at the top, but not too much because you don't want it to look bulky. Hopefully that's not too much and it blends well. For when I normally put these in a stylette with either a braid or twist in the front, or I do like 2 pigtails. But just, you could leave it like this if you wanted to. And I'll do the baby hairs and such, but I also put a scarf on top of it so the hair can dry and stretch and not like shrink up, because if you just leave it out, the top layer will shrink. It might not blend as well, but that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.